Welcome back to Cultivating Contentment. This is week 6, day 2 of our study, and our topic this week is what's the alternative? Our scripture verse today is one that we're going to kind of look at throughout the rest of the week. It comes from Isaiah 6:5. It says, "Woe to me, I cried, I am ruined, for I am a man of unclean lips, and I live among a people of unclean lips, and my eyes have seen the King, the Lord Almighty." And so my question today for that verse is, why do you think that Isaiah was so upset? Our quote for today is, "There is so much in life that is wonderful, and it's not too late to be kind. It's not too late to be loving. It's not too late to tell the truth, to be honest. It's not too late to pray. It's not too late to tell your children that you love them. It's not too late to tell the Lord that you love him." And this is from Sheila Walsh. Yeah, I love that because it's never too late to do the right thing and to say the kind and loving things. So question 3 for today, in Psalm 4:4, do you get the impression there's a line being crossed? When do our frustrated feelings become a sin? How does Proverbs 21:23 put this fact into words? And question 4, James warns us about the trouble our tongues can get us into. What does he say in James 3:2? So I look forward to reading your responses as always, and please stay safe, stay healthy, have a great day, and blessings to you and your family.